Let's jump right in and start creating our first Excel spreadsheet. When you first open Excel, the software opens to a new blank workbook. If you already have a spreadsheet open and want to create a new one, just click the Microsoft Office button and select New. The new workbook dialog box opens. Blank document is highlighted by default, so go ahead and click Create. Now your new blank workbook appears in the window. The next thing you need to know is how to insert text. All the little rectangles you see are called cells. These cells will be where your text appears. Each cell has a name or a reference based on the column and row it's in. For example, this cell is C3 since it's in column C and row 3. This cell is where that column and row intersect. Looks like we're ready to add some text. I want to work on creating a spreadsheet that will help me keep track of my monthly expenses, so let's select cell A1. As you select the cell, you will see the name of that cell appear in the name box. Let's type monthly budget. You can see as you type that the text appears in cell A1 and in this box, which is called the formula box. This is where any formulas or text you write in the cells will appear. As I click off of the cell, you'll notice the text extends past the column line. But that's okay. You can change this later. Since I want to keep my budget for the entire year, I should probably make columns for each month I receive bills. Let's go down to 7C and type January. And we'll use a tab key to tab over to 7D and type February. Next we'll go to 7E and type March, and so forth. Okay, so keep in mind that you can move from cell to cell using the tab key, the arrows on your computer, or by simply using your mouse to select a specific cell. The page up and down buttons on your keyboard will help you navigate the spreadsheet as well. Now, in 7A, let's type bills. In this column, we'll type out all the categories of bills we need to pay each month. I'll start in 8A with some of my expenses like my rent. Now, if I owned my house, I could put my mortgage payment here. I'll press the arrow key down and in 9A enter car payment. Then in 10A put life insurance. Now if I make a mistake, I can simply use the backspace key to make the correction. Or if I've already moved on and then decide I want to delete all the text in the cell, I can simply select the cell and then press the delete key on the keyboard. You also have the option to make changes to the text from the formula box. See, if I want to change life insurance to health insurance, I can simply select the cell and make the changes directly in the formula box. Some people find this easier, but you can decide what works for you. In cell 7B, let's type date. Now in this column, I can type the date my bills are due. When you're ready to save the workbook, click the Microsoft Office button. If this is the first time you are saving the file, you'll want to select Save As. Save As allows you to name the file whatever you would like, and also choose a location where you'd like to save the file. Next, I'm going to click on Excel Workbook. This is because I want to save my file as an Excel workbook. Next, I'm going to choose to save the file to my desktop. And I would like to name my file Household Budget. Then click Save. If I'm sending my file to someone who does not have Excel 2007, I can save my file as an Excel 97 through 2003 workbook. This way, the other person does not have to have Excel 2007 to share and edit the workbook I created. I successfully saved my file and I'm ready to move forward with my budget.